welcome back to the channel. We're only, today is Sunday, so less than a week away from the Fox Gathering. I got some stuff in from MPD and from Stiflers. I'm gonna unbox that real quick and see everybody there Friday night. Don't forget, at Brushy Mountain Golf Club for the pre-party, 7 to 10. And then Saturday morning, you can either do the Fox Body Cruise or you can come straight to the Fox Gathering, whichever one you want to do. But the cruise, I hear, is a lot of fun. So you guys want to check that out? But let's open these boxes up and see what's in here. There we go. Oh, I see some swag here.
Oh no.
T-shirts, keychains. Oh man, some good Stifler stuff right there. Let's see what we have in this huge MPD box. I'll adjust the camera a little bit. Christmas wrapping paper. I guess that's a good thing for packing. Oh man, some good stuff in here. Got some more of their new products. So we've got, let's see, some gift certificates.
Yeah.
Some Mustang parts.
Parts.
Yeah.
Waffles.
Alright, so what we have in here, some smoke taillight lenses. I think I want to win those because I need I got a cracked one. We got a cowl vent cover or grill. A-pillar, windshield A-pillar plastic piece, and some of the brand new products, the lower dash panels. You guys will see them. We have 4 airbag and non-airbag. Fuse panel covers and a weather stripping front door. Oh, I need that too. Maybe I just need to keep some of this stuff for myself. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments. Can I enter for the giveaway stuff? Well, we've got a box full of stuff here to give away and some gift certificates. So I just wanted to come on today, give you a quick little video update of what's going on, and we'll see you guys Friday night and Saturday at the Fox Gathering. But until next time, I'm out of here.